5:03, our live team coverage of the icy conditions continues with 10 on your side's Rico Bush.
He's live in Hampton, where the streets are a mess. And Rico, what have you seen during the overnight hours?
Well, hey, Don and Katie, right now we've seen a lot of activity on the roadways here, but the good news is that these roads are drivable. Crews spent a lot of time through the last 3 days trying to make these roads as clear as possible for drivers. We haven't seen any plows in this area, and that's, of course, because they can't really plow anymore because of the ice on the ground. But if you take a look at West Mercury Boulevard and Coliseum Drive, where we are right now, you can still see a layer of ice, and snow is actually on top of that ice, but the thing in the roadways are drivable. We are seeing a little, again, as we just mentioned, a lot of activity on these roadways with a lot of cars on here. But the good news is that, again, the roadways are clear depending on where you are. We're on West Mercury Boulevard, as we just mentioned. Where we are right now, it's ice covered, but a little bit further down on West Mercury Boulevard, the roadways are pretty clear. You can actually see the pavement. We know from what we've been seeing all morning long in residential areas, they are still treacherous and dangerous. We took a little detour this morning, and those roads are still ice covered and still snow covered, and that is the main reason why a lot of places are closed this morning. In Hampton, as we mentioned, everything is closed: offices, schools, and courts. In Newport News, the offices are open, but the courts and schools are closed, so keep that in mind as you make arrangements. Again, we have closures at the bottom of your screen. You can also find that on WAVY.com. That is the very latest here from Hampton. Don, Katie, back to you.
All right, Rico, thank you. And we want to give you a different perspective of the roads. You can see what they look like as if you were in the front seat in this view.
That's right. 10 on your side's Jason Marks has been driving all over the south side this morning, monitoring the conditions. Jason, tell us exactly where you are and how it's looking.
Hi guys, yeah, good morning. I am in the passenger seat here. Photojournalist Greg Gadberry's driving me around, graciously driving me around, but he's getting paid to do it, all right? So hey, we are on Campus Stella, heading towards South Norfolk, the area. I can tell you that it really is a mixed bag this morning. Like right now, it's great here, but there are other areas that are not so good. And don't get lulled into thinking that, hey, it's really good, and then all of a sudden, you put up your speed, you get a little speed going, and all of a sudden you're going to hit an ice patch. So just keep that in mind. We drove down Granby Street in Norfolk. Granby Street is a mess. Most streets are still a mess. It is what you would expect. I mean, we had a snowstorm, a major snowstorm 2 days ago, and crews here doing what they can. But with the temperatures the way they were, this is what we're going to get. And so hopefully we get a warm up quickly here and melt some of this away. But you can see in front of me, this is Indian River Road at Campus Stella Road, and you can just see right in front of me, this is all ice. So if you're heading out this morning, you're just getting going, just remember, give yourself a little extra time. Don't get fooled into going faster because you think that the roads are good, because then you're gonna hit an ice patch. So just be careful out there. Now back to you guys.
Good morning, welcome back. I'm out in the field this morning in Virginia Beach at Town Center. I'm going to step out of the way so that you can see what the roads look like here. So this isn't even, I mean, these are main roads and they are still snow packed. There's a lot of ice under there as well. So this is right at the intersection of Virginia Beach Boulevard and Independence Boulevard. Some things are closed in Virginia Beach today, courts and schools, but a lot of things are open as well, like the museum, all the parks with the exception of Mount Trashmore. So I am seeing traffic here already pick up, and I'm expecting that to continue into today. And I just want to caution you, I would still say if you don't have to go out, don't go out, because when I was on these roads earlier this morning and they were completely empty, sure, that's fine, but when you mix other drivers in there, when you mix anyone who's in a hurry in there, that is just dangerous conditions. And so although these roads are passable, there's a difference between good and passable, and that's something to keep in mind. And I'm going to have my photographer Curtis swing around here just so I can show you what you can expect on, you know, in the parking lots and different parts of the road here. So you can see just how many patches of ice there are just in this parking lot where we've got our equipment parked. I mean, this is dangerous to walk on. So even once you do get to your destination, just walking around is a little bit slippery and dangerous depending on where you are. And Katie and I had been talking earlier this morning when I came in, and we were talking about how slick some of the roads are. You know, Jason Marks was also talking about Really a mixed bag out there. So don't head out today and expect that you're going to run into great roads. The interstates are pretty good, but the off ramps, the bridges, and even these main roads in Virginia Beach can be pretty dangerous. So be careful out there. Take it slow. Stay off the roads if you can. Live in Virginia Beach, I'm Lex Gray, 10 on your side.
Coming up on 517, tonight's scheduled meeting about the proposed Atlantic Avenue realignment is postponed until Thursday. We've been covering the debate about changing the traffic pattern near the Cavalier Hotel. The new date and time is this Thursday, January 12th at 6:30. The meeting is at the Virginia Beach Convention Center.
Across the Commonwealth, crews were busy during this weekend storm. As of last night, Virginia State Police say they've responded to more than 770 crashes and helped more than 1,200 disabled vehicles and drivers. And so far, there has been one deadly ice-related crash in Virginia. It happened in Greene County, which is north of Charlottesville.
Now, your Super Doppler 10 forecast with meteorologist Jeremy Wheeler.
All right, you got to use extreme caution today when heading out. You know, what happened was we had a little melting when the snow first fell, and there was a layer of ice. And then yesterday we had some sunshine, temperatures warmed up just a little bit, and there was some more melting. So now some of these secondaries are glazed, just a sheet of ice. Patchwork of ice in other locations. If you get out of your neighborhood, you might see some ice mixed with a little bit of snow, some black ice, dry patches, and then some salty areas. And it's hard to tell. But this, you know, is a good example of what you would see when you're driving down the road. You get these black areas. You know, is that black ice or is that a dry patch? It's hard to tell in a couple of seconds when you're driving, you know, really fast. So you got to go very slow. Watch your step too. I mean, it's not just on the roads; it's also on the sidewalks. Turn slow, change slow. You know, if you're going to make these turns, you got these areas where there's again, you know, these icy glazed sections. You got to go very slowly around those corners. And, you know, you got to allow a large distance when braking on some of these. Even me coming in this morning, I had to allow some extra distance to brake, and I had no traffic. We had some traffic in this mix, and it's going to be a big problem. Salt the walks, use a shovel, not your snow shovel, just a regular shovel if you can. Try and break up that ice a little bit. I used to do that a lot back up in Illinois, back when I was in my college days. So, all right, so right now we're at 12 in Newport News, 23 in Norfolk, 16 in Portsmouth, 19 in Virginia Beach. We have clear skies. 14 in Chesapeake, 15 in Hampton. We've got 4 degrees in Suffolk. That is a current temperature, 4 in Suffolk. We have negatives out towards Franklin right now. It's cold. 12 degrees in Williamsburg. We don't get this cold this often. This is pretty rare. When you have a snowpack and ice, you know, sometimes in clear skies, light winds, yeah, we can get these types of temps. So today, the high temperature only near 30. Now, when are we going to finally melt things? Tomorrow, 48. We'll get a southwest wind. We'll have a lot of sunshine. We'll be in the 40s. And then we'll really start melting things like Wednesday, 59. Some models want to go 60. I'm not going that warm just yet. 65 Thursday, 67 on Friday. Amazing. Look at that huge climb in temperatures. At least it's somewhat gradual, somewhat. Kind of a big step tomorrow, but after that it's gradual. So, satellite and radar, we have a lot of clear skies on the way. High pressure's in control. It's a large, dry, cold air mass that's locked into place here. A couple flurries back to the west. Those won't come here today. We have too dry of air, and our winds aren't too strong. They have been pretty breezy lately, but they're light this morning. So today will be dry throughout the day. Lots of sunshine this morning, midday. There's this afternoon. We're looking pretty good, and all the way through the evening, clear skies. Tonight we'll get a little bit of cloud cover coming in from the west. No precipitation. Now tomorrow will be partly cloudy, and we're looking pretty good. Temperatures will get a chance to warm up. By the end of the day, could even see a sprinkle or two. It'd be rain, a sprinkle or two, but for the most part, we're dry. So today, 33 in Nags Head, 32 Elizabeth City, 32 Edenton. We got a lot of sunshine, but very cold. Winds variable 5 to 10. Low 30s in Chesapeake and Portsmouth, but near 30 in Norfolk, Virginia Beach, Suffolk, and upper 20s in Franklin. We're in the upper 20s pretty much for the whole peninsula here, from Williamsburg down to Hampton. Again, lots of sunshine, but cold. And 28 Melfa, 28 Cape Charles, 28 degrees in Gloucester. So get ready for just some very cold air. Tomorrow, we got 17 in the morning, 48 in the afternoon. Huge climate temps really from the morning to the afternoon if you look at it. And then, well, we're in the upper 50s for highs Wednesday, isolated rain showers. Thursday, Friday, highs are in the 60s. And then we're mild next weekend, you know, a little cooler, but we're still pretty mild.